Okay, if we click this, I'm going to open this up in a new tab. You see how it loads to the top of the screen. What we actually want to do is point someone to where this comment form is. And the way we can do that is by looking at how that original Add New Comment link pointed directly to the comment field. I'm going to click Blog Homepage again. And let's go ahead and go to a place where we have a comment. I'm going to go to the second page. And here's where we added our comment. And we can also verify that this comment count is working because it says 1 comments. And now if we hover over Add New Comment here, in the lower left-hand corner of the browser, we see the URL to this blog post. And then we see a hashtag and then comment-form. So in order to get this link to point to the correct location, which is the form that we want to fill out, we need to add that hashtag comment form. So let's do that by scrolling up here, and we'll click on Path in order to edit this. We'll click on Rewrite Results, and then here in the text, after the path gets inserted, we'll do a hashtag and then comment-form. Let's click Apply All Displays. And now if we scroll down and we look at this and we open it up in a new tab just to see, we see that it goes straight to the form. Okay, awesome.